comes to cars, reliability is one of the most important factors. Nobody wants to be stranded on the side of the road, waiting for a tow truck. Today, we're diving into some of the most reliable cars ever made, from classic workhorses to unexpected contenders. Buckle up, because this list might surprise you. Number 1. Citroën 2CV. We begin with a car that is simple, yet legendary. The Citroën 2CV. Designed in post-war France to be an economical and practical car for farmers, the 2CV was known for two things: being incredibly reliable and rusting like crazy. Sounds contradictory, right? But hear me out. The car's air-cooled two-cylinder engine and four-speed manual transmission were so simple that almost anyone could repair them at home. With minimal electronics and robust engineering, breakdowns were rare. Despite early rust issues, later models improved with better materials. The suspension was uniquely designed to handle rough terrain, allowing farmers to transport eggs over bumpy roads without breaking them. It was also incredibly fuel efficient, making it perfect for long drives on minimal fuel. The 2CV was in production for a whopping 52 years, proving just how dependable it was. Some are still running today. Number 2. Ford Crown Victoria. Next up, the legendary Ford Crown Victoria. This car was so reliable that American police departments swore by it. Back in the day, if you committed a felony, you'd have an army of Crown Vics chasing you down. Now, you might be outrun by a Tesla, assuming it doesn't run out of charge first. What made the Crown Vic so tough? Its body-on-frame construction. This design meant that the body was mounted onto a separate chassis that carried the powertrain, making it incredibly durable. The 4.6-liter V8 engine was known to last over 500,000 miles with basic maintenance. The transmission was built to handle extreme conditions, making it popular among law enforcement and taxi services. Parts were cheap and widely available, keeping maintenance costs low. These cars were built to withstand years of heavy use, from high-speed chases to rough city roads. Many people today still buy retired police cruisers because they know these cars are built to last. Number 3. Toyota Prius. Now let's talk about a car that was once more hated than Teslas, the Toyota Prius. Hard to believe, right? The Prius was mocked for being a hybrid, but in reality, it turned out to be one of the most reliable hybrid cars ever made. While hybrids generally have more components that could fail, the Prius defied expectations. Its electric motor and gasoline engine worked together seamlessly, reducing wear and tear. Some owners have reported over 600,000 miles on the original battery. Toyota's hybrid technology proved to be incredibly durable, with battery replacements rarely needed before 200,000 miles. The regenerative braking system also extended brake life, reducing maintenance costs. Despite slightly higher repair costs compared to a standard Toyota, Prius owners were actually less likely to need repairs in the first place. If reliability is your priority, this hybrid is a solid bet. Number 4. Lexus LC500. Reliable cars don't have to be boring, and the Lexus LC500 is proof of that. This Grand Tourer has the build quality of a luxury vehicle, the reliability of a Toyota, and the excitement of a true sports car. Car enthusiasts often praise its naturally aspirated V8 engine and stunning design. Unlike turbocharged engines, this V8 has fewer moving parts, reducing mechanical stress. The transmission is a robust 10-speed automatic that ensures smooth shifts and longevity. The LC500's interior materials are top tier, designed to last decades without showing wear. Owners have reported minimal issues even after years of driving. If you want a sports car that will still look brand new and run flawlessly a decade from now, the LC500 is a top contender. Number 5. Lamborghini Huracan. Speaking of excitement, let's talk supercars. You might think that high-performance cars are fragile, but the Lamborghini Huracan is an exception. According to UK statistics, the Huracan ranked as the most reliable supercar out of 25 competitors. It uses a naturally aspirated V10 engine, shared with the Audi R8, that has proven to be exceptionally durable. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is one of the smoothest in the industry, offering both speed and longevity. In fact, some Huracans have surpassed 100,000 miles with minimal mechanical issues. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip while reducing drivetrain wear. Sure, it's often associated with influencers who don't know how to drive, but mechanically speaking, it holds up better than most. Number 6. Toyota Hilux. Finally, we have the undisputed king of reliability, the Toyota Hilux. This pickup truck is so durable that Top Gear literally tried to destroy one for an entire season, and failed. The Hilux has been used in some of the toughest environments on Earth, from the deserts of Arabia to the mountains of Pakistan. Its diesel engine is renowned for running hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal servicing. The chassis is built to withstand heavy loads and rough roads, making it a favorite for off-roaders and commercial fleets. Even when put through brutal conditions, it just keeps going. It's no wonder that the Hilux remains a favorite among adventurers, militaries, and businesses worldwide. If there's one vehicle that embodies reliability, it's this. Number 7. Volvo 850R. Next up, we have a true sleeper car, the Volvo 850R. While Volvo is known for safety and reliability, the 850R proved they could also make a fast, fun, and durable performance machine. Narrator. Under the hood, it packed a 2.3-liter turbocharged inline-5, producing up to 250 horsepower. Paired with a manual or automatic transmission, it offered a surprisingly quick 0-60 time of around 6 seconds. Narrator. Unlike other performance cars of the 90s, the 850R was built to last. Its solid chassis and well-engineered drivetrain made it one of the most durable fast sedans of its time. It was also available as a wagon, making it one of the coolest and most practical family cars ever. A car that could haul groceries during the week and tear up the track on weekends. Decades later, many 850Rs are still running strong, proving that reliability and performance don't have to be opposites. If you find one in good condition today, it's a true hidden gem. Number 8. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has been a symbol of reliability for decades, earning a reputation as one of the longest-lasting sedans on the road. Honda's engineering is known for precision, and the Accord is no exception. Its 4-cylinder and V6 engines have been praised for their longevity, often surpassing 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. The transmission is built for durability, and the car's overall construction ensures minimal mechanical failures. Whether you're driving a 90s model or a modern hybrid version, the Accord remains a dependable choice for commuters and families alike. It's also one of the most fuel-efficient sedans in its class, making it a practical and cost-effective vehicle to own. Honda's reputation for building bulletproof engines is well-earned, and the Accord is living proof. So there you have it, the most reliable cars ever made. From simple classics to high-performance beasts, reliability isn't just about being boring, it's about standing the test of time. What's the most reliable car you've ever owned? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome car content. See you next time.